I drilled my pilot hole too small and the screw broke off in the headstock, so now I have to take a core sample to get it out. It's for a Music Lily Floyd Rose retaining bar. You can see the truncated screw here. I'm drilling 3mm brass tube out to 2.5mm internally. So it should just fit around the screw. Now I'm filing some cutting teeth in the end of the tube. It looks pretty rough, but they'll probably work. Here are some test cuts. Now I've protected the headstock with tape. You can see the tip of the broken screw just poking through the tape. This is a cross section of the tool, so I've taped it as a depth stop indicator. I only want to go in as far as the broken screw extends. I'm cutting anti-clockwise, so hopefully it'll grip the screw and reverse it out if it binds. And it worked. It did grab it and lift it out of the headstock. And there's the hole left over. Some of the original pilot holes still visible at the bottom. And here's the core sample containing the broken screw. I plugged the hole with a 3mm dowel and I cut it to fit just below the level of the surrounding wood, because I didn't want to trim it once it was in place. Also, I want the finish to sink in. And here's my helper. So we've got a new pilot hole drilled and new jazz bass pickup mounting screws. Even though it was my fault, I don't really trust those original screws. Black nail polish to hide the dowel. The lacquer shrank back some more while it was drying. It looks quite bad in close-up, but in reality you can't really notice it. And there's the finished repair.